Starting over isn't easy, whether it's because of major loss, a big move, or a life change. But we've learned that it's also an opportunity to reinvent yourself and discover new possibilities. One of the hardest parts about starting over can be finding new friends and building a support system. But remember, it's never too late to connect with amazing people who will add value to your life. We want to encourage anyone out there who's feeling lost or starting over from scratch. It's okay to feel uncertain and scared. It's just part of the process. Just remember, every ending is a new beginning. Embrace the journey, be open to new experiences, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. You never know who you'll meet and what new adventures await.
Cheers! Happy 4th! Hey loves, so welcome back to the channel. Tino and I are spending our 4th of July weekend back in Stuart, Florida with our amazing friends. And today we came out to the sandbar. It's only like 4 of us in the boat today. The weather is perfect. It's super crowded out here. We were out here for Memorial Day, and it was crowded then, but there's like double the people now. But what we're gonna do is we have this little mat that we're gonna roll out and put in the water, and we'll just lay out and enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of our day. I hope you guys are enjoying yours. Deuces. He's not. Thank you. You do the same. Right. Chris, you're so crazy. So what are you guys doing for the 4th? Why don't you leave it in the comments below and let us know how you spent your 4th of July.
Alright guys, so we're down here in Stuart, Florida, and we're at Jackie and Warren's house. Clearly you don't know them. We met them last month. If you saw our video about a month ago for Memorial Day weekend, we came down here. I'm going to show you their nice ass backyard. It's a tropical paradise. His wife is from Jamaica, and she said, I want my backyard looking like Jamaica. And it does look like a tropical resort. I'm walking down to there's a laguna, not even laguna, I guess it's their waterway behind their house. So everything behind me, all this was done by Warren. He's a builder. He built all this, he built this house. He actually built the house next door too, and he sold it and moved over here. He's actually gonna build another house behind this house. This guy, he knows a lot. So going down to their boat, I'm gonna show you a little canal area of where this is all theirs, and I guess the neighborhood. So this is his boat. And that's basically the neighborhood down there. This is the neighborhood on the back side. This is everyone's backyard. Everyone has a boat, clearly. Because if you live here, you're in Florida, in this area, you gotta have a boat. This is their little, I guess their little dock. I didn't even know people like, I've never been to houses like this. This is pretty cool. Yeah, it's a party house. Yeah. I like that one. Look at that one. That's his dog, Prince. How you doing, Prince? It's a good dog. I got a little bonfire thing over there. So this is all theirs. It's a nice little backyard, hammock. It's just a cool little spot. There's always shade, a breeze. So, show you a little bit more. Now I'm gonna show you the backyard. I guess the pool area. Yeah, that's where I started talking, and now I'm heading back up. That's where we were earlier today, just relaxing. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's the backyard paradise where we've been just relaxing all day. Let's go back to my, oh, he has coconuts too. I'm gonna show you. Let me see. They go to coconuts. Got coconuts all over his backyard. This is crazy, right? This is like in Stuart, Florida. It's like an hour north of Fort Lauderdale. So in my vegetables, my sauteed vegetables, I do onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, garlic. I did a little thyme, basil, and I think I did a little rosemary in there. I think that was about it. So with butter and a little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna let that saute for about maybe 15, 20 minutes. It'll get nice and soft. It's gonna be real good. We're having burgers tonight. I gotta go start up this fire. Warren might start it up, but I'm gonna watch the meat because yesterday, it got overdone. We were drinking a lot. And that's it. This is our July 4th weekday. Tomorrow, I think we're going to this place called Nuvo, some Italian restaurant out there. Or that might be Saturday, I don't know. But I gotta get back inside because my onions are already starting to cook and I gotta get this fire going on this grill. So I'll see if I'll be able to work the camera, get this grill going for you guys at the same time. Until then, I guess I'll just see you around.
Jamaican potato salad.
What do you think, mister?
Almost there. What do you think?
Okay, so we have the grill doing its thing in the back. Faustino is in the kitchen. We have Faustino on the burgers. We have Jackie on the potato salad. We have Warren. Warren is on something. I'm just not sure what it is. And me, I'm on drinks. So this should be amazing. The food is ready. We are ready to eat and enjoy the rest of our 4th of July. And I hope you guys do the exact same thing. Okay. Deuces. Everything smells amazing. There is some veggies over here doing its thing. It smells really good. And then they just got the burgers off the grill, so we're about to eat that. So let me show you how they look first.
Jamaican potato salad.
And Jamaican potato salad by yours truly. Hey, so guys, if you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you go and check out her channel. You would definitely be amazed by all the movement and the workouts. She's absolutely amazing. Her name is, I'll leave her channel down below. So you guys go over and send her so much love.
Cool effect.
Woohoo! Look at those babies.
Yes.
Man. Damn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that. We'll leave Jackie's on till last.
Okay.
She likes it. Oh, these are like gonna be good.
Ready?
Yes. It is done.
Done?
My job is done. I did the sauteed vegetables and I had a little hand in the burgers. I don't control the hot dogs. I didn't burn the hot dogs.
Hopefully they taste better.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, Prince. You ready, man? Okay, time to eat. Okay, so now that we have finished up with dinner, it is about 8 o'clock. So we're gonna jump back on the boat and we're gonna go and watch the fireworks. I think that, I don't think they're too far from the house, but I heard it's really beautiful, so.
Oh my God.
They definitely loud though. How about that? What'd you say, Faustino?
You got your cup?
I don't have a cup. Hey, Prince, baby. Okay, so we are back on the boat and it is about 8:45, maybe about a good 15 minutes to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is when the fireworks start. It is so nice and so tranquil, so peaceful out here. I absolutely love it. It's getting dark now, so there are a few fireworks in the sky, but I heard it's supposed to be really pretty.
Ain't that crazy?
Yeah, but the sky color is still pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know which way to look. As soon as I start recording, they stop.
And you pass on a certain side too and all that stuff.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our 4th of July video. If you made it this far, type NOLA down below because we're still trying to get NOLA back. As you can see, the next day we went back out with some amazing new friends and we had a great time out there. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget that subscribe button. That helps us out a lot. As you can see, we had a real nice time out there. As soon as I got off the plane, we made it back into New Orleans on like Monday night, about 10 o'clock. So here it is Tuesday morning and we're editing this video. It's been a rough, fun weekend. So hope you like the video. Hit that like button. If you do, don't forget to subscribe. And I guess we'll see you next week.
let's go. Time to get off. Okay, so we are just getting off the boat. We are about to chill by the pool because why not? And yeah, that's about it.